Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SendGrid to Google Apps script step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SendGrid website. If you don't already have an account, sign up for one by following the prompts. Once logged in, locate the API keys option in the sidebar. Click on the API keys to create a new API key. Give your API key a descriptive name for easy identification. Set the permissions to full access where appropriate, and click Create and View. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard, as you will need it later. Next, open a new tab and go to the Google Apps script website. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Click on New Project to create a new script. In the script editor, name your project by clicking on Untitled Project at the top. Now, you need to include the SendGrid library in your script. Click on Libraries from the left sidebar. Enter the SendGrid library URL into the script ID input field. The library URL will look like this: 1BDNZPK_9ZBSCGBKP1CWSOQ4Z7EZXC28H9G5DKWOQW211 Click Add to include the library in your project. After adding the library, return to your script and start coding. You can use the following code block to initialize SendGrid. Declare a new function named SendEmail. Within this function, use the SendGrid mail function to include the recipient's email, subject, and body content in the function. Insert your API key securely in the headers of your request. Make sure to handle any potential errors using try-catch blocks. Once your function is complete, save your script by clicking the disk icon. To test your script, click on the Run menu and select your function. Authorize the script by following the prompts to allow necessary permissions. After authorization, run the function again to check if the email is sent successfully. Once confirmed, you can further modify your script for additional functionalities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.